Hi everyone, konnichiwa. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. It's a sudden question, but what do you think the Japanese people eat for breakfast? This is one of the questions that I'm often asked by my guests in cooking classes. These days, many Japanese people eat Western-style breakfast consisting of cereal and bread. But in Japan, we have the traditional set meal consisting of rice, miso soup, and one main dish and two side dishes, which is called Ichiju-sansai. It's very popular. So this time, I'd like to introduce the best 5 popular dishes for breakfast in Japan. So I prepared the traditional Japanese breakfast, which includes the best 5 dishes. So please guess what's the ranking? Number 5, natto. So natto is a fermented food made from fermented soybeans and it's one of Japan's superfood. I have an impression that people from overseas don't like natto, but in Japan there are many natto lovers who eat this every day. Natto comes in various sizes and our family often buys ground natto called hikiwari natto. So my children love this hikiwari natto a lot. So number 4 is kimpira gobo. Kimpira means a stir-fried veggies seasoned with soy sauce, mirin, sugar, and sake. Kimpira gobo means cooked with burdock only, but we usually use the carrots as well. I make this dish at least once a week. Okay, next. Number 3, spinach ohitashi. Ohitashi means branched veggies with dashi. You can only use one ingredient to make this. This is very delicate side dish since it is seasoned with only dashi, soy sauce, and salt. Okay, so number 2, Japanese omelette. Who is correct? Please let me know. As many of you know, Japanese omelette is made by special egg pan to roll the egg mixture. Another appeal of Japanese omelette is that it can be made sweeter by adding sugar or more flavorful by adding dashi soup stock. So you can choose depending on the balance with other side dishes. So number 1, grilled salmon. Grilled salmon was a popular onigiri fillings. It is easy to cook as well because all you need is to grill it. I like to use the unsalted salmon and pour the little bit soy sauce and eat it with rice. So what did you think of the ranking results? Any other rankings you're interested in? Please let me know in the comment box down below. So special thanks to Mario and Luigi. Thank you so much. So everyone, see you next time. Bye bye.